0% water, sir.
Okay, leave it. From beginning only it is 0%. Yeah, from the day one only just putting the male thing controlling, but it is 0% control. So zero water coming, saying putting some male doing something else. Male putting controlling water, now 0% control. There is no water at all. Doing all fraud as usual, doing all fraud. Putting some male, doing something else, opposite. Don't have the guts to put the male saying 0% disconnected water. Controlling water, it seems. Doing all nonsense fraud. With parking fraud, everything is there. But everything parking, everything will come out. Wait. Water also will be issued, plus not get anything. Lot of fraud. Lot of tamasha happened, no? Last 3-4 years from the time association formed, all looted people, public, looted the entire people, use money on liquor, wine, fraud, use money on liquor, wine, meals, all those, whiskey, liquor, wine, beer, diapers. Lawyer, auditor, frauditor. Auditor, frauditor, liar. Use all money, 50,000, 60,000. Giving STP 60,000 builder. 60,000 to builder for STP. Using money on liquor, wine, meals, pizza, burger.
Auditor report without contact.
Auditor reports without contact details, nothing. Lawyer no details. 60,000, 50,000, 60,000, all fraud.
Coming with builder's lawyer.
Using on election fraud, supplying liquor. Supplying liquor to purchasing votes. Purchasing votes for election.
We are happy with the state of affairs of STP. to member secretary, we are happy with the state of affairs of STP. Just for your information, please.
Nobody put pressure on giving on their own. On which will.
Without pressure.
Yeah, from last 3 years, money is gone. Half the money gone to the pockets of the committee. All the money, half the money gone to the chore committee pockets.
Pocket is very deep.
Bought the car also. So much they looted that they got the car also, new car. So much they imagine, how much they would have looted. 2 years each. 2 years continuously in the committee means how much they would have looted. Bought the car also. That much looted that they bought the car also.
Yeah.
Before committee alto, after committee something else. Before second car. औकात खुद का औकात देखो ना. औकात देखा तुम्हारा खुद का. तुम्हारा औकात मालूम है, वही लोगों का पैसा लूट के उससे बिरयानी, मील्स, liquor, wine, 206, C206, empty flat, using all the association money and parties, liquor parties, drinks parties, liquor parties, wine parties, and what not, using on baby food and diapers. No shame at all, yaar. Shameless fellows, no shame at all. No shame at all. Useless fellows, no shame at all. Using all money. So much money they looted, they bought the car only, bike, car, so much. Upgraded the car from Alto to other, something else.
Alto. Yeah. Alto.
Before committee, Alto. After committee, something else. So imagine how much they would have looted. 128 flats. But how much money they are getting every month? 4 lakhs.
Yeah.
4 into 12 into 3. So half the money gone in pocket. Buying cars, bikes, upgrading from hatchback to sedan. SUVs. Wow, no shame.
Oh, now
Now
you came
still,
to know.
now shameless fellow still lying, standing here, coming here and standing here. What shameless fellows they are, fraudsters. Not able to come to court also. Coming to, not coming to court also. Doing meter transfer and then votes transfer, and doing all fraud. Meter transfer to fraudsters. Use, see, how much they would have looted here. See, from hatchback became sedan. Only for water, money for water is not enough. They want for liquor also, for wine also, for diaper also, for meals also, for food also, for crackers also, for everything they want. Only water money is not enough. Such fraudsters. For car also, for bike also, for grocery also, for diapers also, for Cerelac also, for Ferex also. Yeah, that's what.
Same old dosa.
See how much they would have looted, huh? 2 years, how much they would have looted. Hatchback became a SUV. Hatchback became sedan. See, still no shame. Still no shame. Crying. Oh. Only water money is not enough. They want for wine also. They want for liquor. They want for everything, for liquor, wine. I don't know what not. Only water money is not enough. Buying tankers, it seems. So tanker money, when given up, they are not satisfied. They want for wine, liquor, pizza, burger, auditor. Yeah, buy. With, yeah, enough collected, no? Must have got the collection for this month. So buying all the liquor, wine. Now I think today only they will go for C206 and 206 for wine liquor party. I think enough collection happened for this month. Enough for party in C206 for wine and liquor and what not. Shameless fellow still standing here.